I wish you could like feel my excitement right now. Okay, full disclosure, I don't know how to sew. And you're probably like, that is crazy. You have a sewing machine in front of you. So I'm really excited to learn. I don't know. It's just like this craziness came over me one day and I decided I'm going to learn how to sew. And I came across this machine and it just like seems absolutely fantastic. Definitely something that I feel like I can learn how to use. Seems really easy, like user friendly. This right here, you can, there's like 27 different like stitches. I love that it's like right here on the machine. You can select which ones you want. Obviously you put your spool up here. You've got your needle. It comes with like a foot pedal. I know I feel like people who sew are probably like, well, obviously, but for me, like I'm just picturing myself like late at night, like using my little foot pedal, like beep, 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 beep. Like I think the machine is so beautiful in itself. One of the things I also that really attracted me to this is it's not massive. My mom is big into sewing, so I know I'm going to rope her in to help me. And I just think back to when I was little, she used to make all my dresses. Her machine was massive and trying to move it around just kind of seemed impossible. This one here, you've got like this great little handle right here. So you can kind of just hook this on and then bring it, like, let's say, you know, you need to move it. Obviously I'm going to make myself a little sewing station, but you know, in case you do have to move it around, it is really light enough to be able to do that. But yeah, I think it's really nice. It's from Brother, you know, my husband, he was just like, he thought I bought a printer because apparently they make really great like printing products or printers. But I was like, no, sewing machine. I can't wait to get sewing and make my dog a bunch of cool outfits.